Headlines making the news this morning. Wanted man, Kadula, shot dead by police. Businessman shot and killed at home in Westgate Hill, St. James. Dancehall artist unknown gringo shot in Trelawney. A businessman was shot and killed at his home in Westgate Hills, Montego Bay, St. James on Thursday morning. He has been identified as 34-year-old Sheldon Dehaney. The police report that about 1 a.m., Dehaney and his common-law wife drove home and were about to exit their vehicle when they were pounced upon by a lone gunman. The gunman opened fire, hitting Dehaney multiple times in his neck and chest before escaping. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Dehaney was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Dancehall artist unknown gringo was shot during a gun attack in Trelawney this morning. The corporate communication unit confirmed the shooting. We are aware that there was a shooting involving a DJ in Trelawney, but we have not confirmed the details as yet, a representative of the CCU told Observer Online. Unknown Gringo is known for the songs Tank Up, Brawling Death, Money Factory, and Shy featuring Jada Kingdom. More details soon. A man who was featured multiple times on police most wanted list was shot and killed by members of the security forces on Thursday. Dead is 31-year-old Kieran Kadula Angus, who was wanted in connection with a double murder and a shooting. In a social media post, the police said Angus was mortally wounded during an operation by the security forces in Kingston West. Observer Online understands that the incident occurred about 2:40 p.m. According to a report, members of the security forces were conducting a joint military operation in Studley Park Road area when officers acting on a search warrant entered a premises and were greeted with gunfire by Angus. The lawmen reportedly quickly returned fire, hitting Angus to the upper body. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. A black Canic TP9 pistol along with one live round were retrieved following the incident.